friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through the journey of treatments, or rather let me say 2 treatments basically that you can do to your hair after relaxing your hair. This is not limited to only after relaxing your hair, but I'm specifically targeting relaxing because relaxing your hair takes away strength and leaves your hair in a very vulnerable position where it can break up at any point and lots of bad things can happen to it. So if you really love your hair and you want to carry relaxed hair, you're not in the natural hair gang, then please remain with me, you will learn. Welcome back. So I was telling you about how I relaxed my hair about 5 days ago, and the relaxer processed my hair so much. Normally this is what everyone would love, that your hair was well relaxed, but I didn't really fancy it, okay, because I was actually looking for texturizing, but it didn't give me that. And then my hair went on to be so limp. I'll put a picture so that you see my hair immediately after relaxing it. But now this is my hair 5 days later. Just take a look. You will even mistake it for hair that has new growth. You see that it does not look so limp anymore. This is because I did some DIY treatments. I'm in love with DIY treatments. I always do DIY treatments. So I did DIY treatments for my hair, and I noticed that by the next day, my hair strands were looking much stronger. So I bet that if you do this for your hair, you will definitely benefit also. So I said, why not share? So I want you to just take a random look at the hair so that you know what exactly I'm talking about. Ordinarily, a relaxed hair would look so flat. It will not have weight and strength, and it often makes people dislike relaxed hair, and that's probably part of the reasons why people jumped into natural hair, and they made us that relax our hair feel kind of in the minority and feel like we don't know what we're doing. And to some extent they were right, because people relax their hairs and they don't do anything to their hair afterward. You should know that if you relax your hair, that your hair has just gotten weaker. You have put it at a disadvantaged end. And so if you don't do treatments that will help bring back life, bring back that strength, strengthen your hair bonds, those bonds that hold your hair strands together. If you don't do things that will give them back that life, they will go on to break and break and break, and your hair will forever be at a certain plateau, and you'll be saying, my hair does not grow, my hair does not grow. Meanwhile, you will always relax your hair. As long as you have new growth, your hair grows. And why you don't see that length is because it weakens the previous hairs that were there and makes them so prone to breakage. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. I learned about black tea, green tea. I just found out recently that they are so beneficial. Like I said, I love DIYs. I am all for not spending too much in your hair. I don't waste money in my hair. That is why I go mostly for DIY. So if you're hanging with me throughout my journey, throughout this channel, I will be showing you DIYs that will help your hair a ton. So like I said, I learned about black tea. Black tea strengthens your hair. Black tea helps with hair shedding, hair loss. It blocks this DHT hormone that is responsible for hair loss and hair breakage. And once it blocks the hormone there, it's simple English, right? You know what happens next. So I use this brand, Pop Tea. So it's very easy to get. That is what I love about DIYs. You can get them in your locality. So I use this 1 tea bag. I'm going to show you the process in which I make tea. And then I used an egg, just 1 egg. A plate, of course, for breaking the egg. I used a spoon to measure out some oils which I used. So I'm just going to show you the oils. This is olive oil. It was one of the oils that I put into the egg mixture. And then the second oil I put was this. I'd go back to say here that you might not necessarily have exactly this oil. I do not limit myself and I don't encourage you to do so. So whatever oil you have, if you have coconut oil, you're good to go. If you have castor oil, beautiful. Whatever oil you have, okay, just get all of them together and use them. When you research on all these oils, you find out that each and every one of them have many benefits. So it's just to know what oil your hair likes, and you wouldn't know that if you don't use the oil at first. This oil right now is from We Naturals. A rice spoon, 2 spoons each of the oils, of all the oils you have. Okay, here is the tea bag sitting inside hot water. As you can see, it has steeped already because it has been sitting in that cup for 3 minutes plus. Now I just want to take out the tea bag by pouring out the tea into another bowl. You could decide to dilute this a little bit more by adding cold water to the tea bag and rinsing. But now the tea is ready for use. So this is how the 2 treatments should look after the preparation. Okay, so I'm about starting the application process. You can see my hair before the treatments. And I'm going to be starting with the tea. That's the tea there. Okay, so I started out by dipping my ends in the tea. The plate is to enable me get all my hair into the bowl comfortably. So I'm just soaking up my ends in the tea. Okay, so when my ends were soaked properly, I proceeded to loosen the plates so that this time around I can get my roots and my scalp very well. So here I'm just pouring in the tea into my scalp and I'm massaging. I'm taking care to wedge the tea with my hand as I'm pouring it in because it's very watery. So if I don't wedge it, it will run out. So you don't just pour the tea into your scalp, you make sure to massage as well because that helps it work more effectively. Alright, so following up immediately after is the egg mask. It's really slimy. And I'm just applying it all over my hair. You might want to section your hair at this point. I did not remember to do so. It would have been much easier to touch every part of my hair if I had sectioned my hair here. So please don't follow what I did exactly. Just section your hair. It will be easier for you to get all the areas of your hair in sections. Yeah, so I just decided to soak my ends in the egg mask so that every area of my hair will have the mask thoroughly. More and more massaging. Don't skip the massaging step, please. As you're applying the treatments, be massaging it in. So I have all of the egg into my hair right now, and I just massaged a little bit more. Alright, now securing everything into a bun.
just wash out your hand a little bit so you don't mess up your plastic bag and your shower cap. So yeah, that's my plastic bag there, and I'm using it to cover up my hair. So I went ahead to double this by using a shower cap on top of the plastic bag. This was to ensure that my hair gets a lot of heat, because heat is very essential to help this treatment get penetrated into the scalp. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. And then after I shampoo my hair, and we're done.
That's just it. If you've relaxed your hair recently, or if you're about to relax your hair, if you know about the damage that relaxer does to hairs, don't be afraid. I have a simple solution for you. Immediately after relaxing your hair, just follow this procedure. Okay, I'll go on to say that these treatments are not restricted to only after relaxing your hair. You can do these treatments when you feel your hair, especially the teeth treatment. You can do it when you feel your hair is kind of shedding a lot. Maybe when you comb your hair, there's too much in the comb, which was not the usual. You can do this treatment. Okay, I'll talk about that in subsequent videos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. I hope you learned, and the most important thing is that I hope you plan on doing what you just learned. Okay, so do tell me in the comment sections if you've done it. Tell me what it felt like to do it. Tell me the after results. Was it wonderful for you? Did you hate it? Let me just warn you, it's going to be messy. Okay, it's going to be messy, so don't put on your most favorite clothes. Probably even want to put on something you want to wash immediately after. Anyway, we've talked enough, so have a lovely day, guys.